Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The Brahman's son, Sringi, said, "Oh, just look at the sins of the rulers who, like crows and watchdogs at the door, perpetrate sins against their masters, contrary to the principles governing servants. The Brahmins are considered to be the head and brains of the social body, and the Kshatriya are considered to be the arms of the social body. The arms are required to protect the body from all harm, but the arms must act according to the directions of the head and brain. That is a natural arrangement made by the Supreme Order, for it is confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita that 4 social orders or castes, namely the Brahmins, the Kshatri, the Vaishyas, and the Shuds, are set up according to quality and work done by them. Naturally, the son of a Brahmin has a good chance to become a Brahmin by the direction of his qualified father, as a son of a medical practitioner has a very good chance to become a qualified medical practitioner. So the caste system is quite scientific. The son must take advantage of the father's qualification and thus become a Brahmin or medical practitioner, and not otherwise. Without being qualified, one cannot become a Brahmin or medical practitioner, and that is the verdict of all scriptures and social orders. Here in Sringi, a qualified son of a great Brahmin attained the required Brahminical power both by birth and by training, but he was lacking in culture because he was an inexperienced boy. By the influence of Kali, the son of a Brahmin became puffed up with Brahminical power and thus wrongly compared Maharaj Parikshit to crows and watchdogs. The king is certainly the watchdog of the state in the sense that he keeps vigilant eyes over the border of the state for its protection and defense, but to address him as a watchdog is the sign of a less cultured boy. Thus, the downfall of the Brahminical powers began as they gave importance to birthright without culture. The downfall of the Brahman caste began in the age of Kali, and since Brahmins are the heads of the social order, all other orders of society also began to deteriorate. This beginning of Brahminical deterioration was highly deplored by the father of Sringi, as we will find.